for the weekend and beyond, Mr. Valle?
Well, if you plan on moving any of those, it's going to be chilly. If you want to do them in the overnight hours, be sneaky. We're waking up to temperatures near the freezing mark, 36 degrees here in El Paso, 38 in Las Cruces, 25 out in Deming. Now, we're seeing a mixture of sun and clouds, mainly more sunshine north of us and west, of course, out in the southeastern portions of our viewing area. We are going to be tracking a couple cloudy skies. Wind speeds right now anywhere from 5 to 10 miles per hour. Right now we're tracking them at 8 miles per hour in Las Cruces and El Paso. A little breezier out there in Sierra Blanca. And with that being said, we are dealing with some breezes, so it does feel cooler than it is. So the wind chill factor feels like it's 30 degrees here in El Paso, feels like it's 33 out in Las Cruces, feels like we're in the teens out in Deming, and it's just overall pretty cold this Saturday morning, so make sure to grab the jacket as you're heading out the door and grab your gloves. But believe it or not, we're actually warmer at this hour than we were yesterday morning. We did issue a first alert Thursday into Friday because our overnight lows were dropping to the teens, and we are slowly beginning our warming trend for the next 7 days or so. We're 14 degrees warmer at this hour in Sierra Blanca and 16 degrees warmer in Van Horn. But we are tracking some activity out east, a mixture of rain and snow. Of course, this storm system is tracking in a northwest direction, working its way through Midland right now, or it's trying to work its way through Midland between I-10 and I-20. Winter weather advisory in effect for eastern portions of Culberson County until 2 p.m. later on today. Much of the snow that you see on your screen possibly not falling to the ground. We're dealing with dew points in the single digits out there. Actually, they're increasing. We're now in the 20s. Earlier in the newscast, we were tracking them in the teens. But with that being said, dew points, anything 50 degrees or below, means it is bone dry out there. So much of this precipitation is evaporating from the sky before it even hits the ground. But our latest future track model is indicating that we could potentially see that mixture of rain and snow as we head into the rest of your Saturday around noon. Van Horn potentially seeing that mixture, but not a whole lot of moisture is expected, of course, keeping it suppressed out east. The clouds will eventually subside into the evening hours, and by the time we hit Sunday, we're tracking plenty of sunshine for the rest of the borderland for us here. But for today, expected to be mostly cloudy out east. Temperatures in the 50s, 53 degrees for Sierra Blanca, 52 for Van Horn. For us here in El Paso, we'll see a mixture of those sun and clouds. Again, chilly morning, so bundle up. Temperatures will stay below our average by a few degrees. 56 is our forecasted high for today. Las Cruces, we're tracking mainly clear skies for the city of Crosses. Will be a degree warmer out there at 57 degrees. But as we walk through the next 7 days, our temperatures become warmer and above average. Our average high for this time of year is 59 degrees. We're in the 60s, and by Thursday, or Tuesday, I should say, 65 degrees, so staying above average. But Wednesday night into Thursday, that's when we can see our next storm system arrive. We'll finally start to see some precipitation in the forecast.